And what I want to do is explain how we can put a wow into very, very simple and basic neutrals. We've taken a washed antique dresser in a white, and we've added the pizzazz by having a really dark cobalt blue wall. Then just to add a little bit more personality to it, we've taken the mercury glass lamps to add a little bit of sparkle. Again, it works really well off the blue. The artwork, I think you'll agree, looks amazing. A lighter background, just a little bit of shot of color, and we've propped it so it looks a little bit more casual, not quite as staged, and very, very fun. And you can do that at home. You know, you can prop something on a mantle, you can do a larger piece on a dresser, just make sure it's secured so very nicely. We have an amazing overscaled piece of artwork. Again, you'll see that it's propped up on the buffet. Beautiful colors, very natural. I think you want to be walking down that path. We've added 2 large lanterns. Gives it a little bit of sparkle, a little bit more elements with the stone. We've got the glass, a little bit of antique brass trim. And then just to cozy it up just a little bit, added 2 medium-sized grasses. You know, it's very wispy. If we put something in front of this, like the painting, it works very nicely. What you don't want to do is have something broadleafed that basically takes the attraction away from the painting.